Hey, we're Twister Robotics. I'm Adam Cox, team lead, chief designer. I've done architectural design for 14 years, and I do Renaissance and steampunk on the side.
I'm Seth Cox. I know materials and manufacturing. I've been a machinist for the last 15 years, and my hobbies are inventing.
I'm Jason Cox. As you might have guessed, we're brothers. I've got 2 degrees in mechanical engineering, and I like to work on electronics in my spare time. I restore arcade games and work on other electronics projects.
I'm Jeremiah Loader, not related, obviously. I'm an elevator technician by trade, and my hobbies are steampunk, Ren fairs, and also I'm active in the maker crowd.
We're shooting this in our family's machine shop where we make aircraft components. We are just so pumped to be, considering doing this. We've wanted to do this since forever. As far as our design philosophy goes, none of us have actually done anything quite like this before, so we tried to keep it simple. We designed a bot that was that's can do as much damage as possible and take a hit and survive without being overly complicated and something that would get us in trouble. Some of the builders from this last season that I really admire, Paul Ventimiglia with Aptics. It's a really strong team and they have a great attitude about it, and that's a tough bot to beat. Also, Matt with Plum Crazy, man, I wish that I can have that kind of attitude when somebody finally comes along to beat us, because that was awesome.
So, behind me is the machine we'll be using for our primary manufacturing, Haas VF3. This is the machine that I run here at Cox Machines. I build and design tooling for the shop. I'll be doing most of the programming and doing the manufacturing here. Some work will be done on lathe, some on manual machines, manual bridge ports. But most of it will be right here. This machine is fully capable of cutting the steel, the aluminum, the Inconel, the tungsten.
I'm standing here in the warehouse where we will most likely do the final assembly, electrical troubleshooting, and testing of the bot. This is where I collect and restore all of my vintage arcade games. I have 20 games here, mostly from the mid-'80s, which is when I went to the arcades. So this is our place.
All right, well, thank you for considering our application. We really hope to see you guys in California, because we just want to go and kick some butt.
BattleSaw!
BattleSaw!
Yeah, BattleSaw!